In order to run our first node, we have to deposit some cash into our Nodes.Garden account. We're going to hit deposit. We're going to put in the amount. For the benefits of today, I'm putting in 30. I hit deposit. You can use a variety of chains and a number of different currencies to fund your wallet. So for the benefits of today, I could use Optimism and USDT. I would hit pay. And if I wanted to send over the money right now, I would hit confirm. Alternatively, you can also use a card, put in the card details, and hit pay. Really easy, super user friendly. I've already deposited money, so let's move forward. This video is a tutorial for Nexus TestNet III, and I'm just going to find it right here below. It's under Layer 1 and Layer 2 blockchain, so let's open that up. First thing we do is read the instructions. So we're going to go to this website. We'll sign up using our wallets and an email. Then we'll activate the nodes, and then we'll basically copy and paste our Nexus node ID that we have to purchase at the bottom. This is slightly different than a lot of the other nodes that we'll set up that require you to propagate or launch a completely new wallet using a seed phrase that we're given once we purchase on Nodes.Garden. So let's quickly go through this so you can see what it looks like. First thing we're going to do is go to the URL provided. So I'm going to click sign up to earn points, connect with my wallet. Need to add the network, signing in, adding my email address, and I need to verify. On the left side, there's these three dots. Hit those, and I want to add a CLI node. I'm going to copy my code for my CLI node. Jumping into the project here on Nodes.Garden, and towards the very bottom, it's asking me for that code, and I'm going to hit purchase. Okay. Now I just have to wait for this node status to go live. My node went live very quickly. It took under 5 minutes. You can also see the notifications here in the notification icon. You can also go over to your nodes and you'll see the status listed by state. So my node is currently online and I am earning. Back over at the Nexus TestNet III page, and I want to see whether or not my nodes are actually earning. Are they doing what they're supposed to be doing? There's a few different ways to see that. One is that I can see I'm accumulating points. That's a good thing. The other is to go back over to those three dots, and I can see that I have unclaimed points and it is currently running, which is fantastic. So in order to claim, all I have to do is hit the claim button. Sometimes this happens, and it is what it is. When the network is over a heavy load, this will be the response. In a perfect world, this is what it should look like. As you can see, I've claimed my testnet tokens, and I'm continuing to accumulate as we speak. Either way, this is one of the most user-friendly, done-for-you versions of running your own node that Nodes.Garden offers. It's super powerful and very easy to run these right away and start earning rewards in minutes. Keep an eye on your end date. You have 30 days to collect within this window, and once that time is over, it either auto-renews or it expires depending on how you've set it up. In order to get more nodes, you can either scroll down on this page and hit purchase more, at which point you would just follow the same directions that you've already watched me put together. Real quick, it's a matter of hitting add CLI node, copy the CLI node that it gives you. Then at the very bottom, we're going to put in the referral code, and I'm going to put in a string of numbers. And then when we hit purchase, we're good to go.